In this video, we're going to talk about comfort access in your new Panamera. Comfort access provides a couple of different ways in which you can unlock or open your vehicle. You can access these settings here on the Settings menu, and then select Vehicle, scroll down, Vehicle Locking Systems, and scroll down here. Here you have comfort access. This allows you to walk up and touch the door and have the vehicle unlock. You can also expand this with expanded comfort access. This will allow the vehicle to unlock once you get within 12 feet of the vehicle. You can also turn on the tailgate comfort opening. What this allows you to do is use a foot gesture to open and close the rear tailgate of your Panamera. This is useful for when your hands are full when loading your trunk. To operate comfort access, you need the key in your pocket or on your person. With comfort access, you can unlock your door by just reaching in and touching the inside of the handle. You can also lock the vehicle touching the indent on the door handle. You can double tap the door handle to turn off interior monitoring while also locking the vehicle. This is important if you leave the vehicle when a family member, friend, or pet is left inside. You can also use these same two locking mechanisms. One touch on the key fob for the lock button will lock the vehicle, and two touches on the key fob on the lock button will lock the vehicle but turn off interior monitoring. You can now use the various comfort access features in your new Panamera.